In this video, we explore the remarkable journey of Abraham, whose unwavering faith in God brought him profound blessings. If you find value in these videos, please subscribe and click the bell to stay updated. Approximately 11 years had passed since God promised Abram that he would make him into a great nation. During this time, Abram grew increasingly concerned about his need for a son. In response, God assured him that he would indeed have a son and confirmed that he would inherit the land of Canaan. However, Sarai, doubting her ability to bear children, took matters into her own hands. She encouraged her husband, now 86 years old, to have a child with Hagar, her Egyptian slave. This decision led to the birth of Ishmael, significantly shaping Abraham's lineage. When Abraham was 99 years old, Sarah miraculously became pregnant at the age of 89, and Isaac was born. Ishmael grew jealous of Isaac, who was not the child of a slave, but rather the special son of God's promise. As a result, Ishmael and Hagar were sent into the desert, though God promised that Ishmael would also become the father of a great nation. Ishmael's cultural significance deeply resonates with the Arab people, eventually influencing the foundations of Islamic culture. God established his covenant with Isaac, making him Abraham's sole heir. He also renamed Abram as Abraham, signifying that he would become the father of many nations. Likewise, Sarai was renamed Sarah, meaning she would be a princess of peoples. God instructed Abraham to confirm this covenant through the act of circumcision, a painful procedure that Abraham and all the male members of his household faithfully obeyed. In summary, we highlighted Abraham's steadfast faith and the profound promises God made to him. His journey offers valuable lessons in trust and obedience. We encourage you to reflect on these insights and invite you to subscribe, like, and share this video for more engaging biblical content and discussions.